Hello all. Welcome to Five Fingers Exports India Private Limited. In the competitive landscape of cement bag making technology, Five Fingers Exports stands out as an industry leader, offering unmatched innovation and efficiency. Our advanced solutions are designed to meet diverse customer needs with precision, reliability, and affordability. This video will explore the key reasons why Five Fingers Exports cement bag making machine tops position in manufacturing cement bags. With and without gusseted valve bag in a single machine. One standout feature of our valve bag making machine is its capability to produce both gusseted and non-gusseted valve bags on a single machine. This versatility allows manufacturers to easily switch between bag types based on client requirements without needing multiple machines. Gusseted bags offer a distinct advantage when stacking in containers, as their structured design allows them to retain a compact, stable shape. This feature makes them less likely to topple over compared to standard bags, which can shift or collapse due to their lack of a fixed form. The gusseted design ensures better organization, maximizes container space, and helps maintain order during transport, making it highly efficient for branding the product. Ensuring quality compliance with standards. We strictly follow the Bureau of Indian Standards in the production of our valve bags. This adherence guarantees the structural integrity of the valve portion, which is essential for efficient folding and stitching operations. Perforation process. The perforation process is done in laminated cement valve bags, involves creating small, evenly spaced holes on the bag surface. This process is not needed for the unlaminated cement valve bags as they already have minute holes in them. Perforations allow trapped air to escape when the bag is being filled with cement, preventing bulging or bursting. Reduced air retention ensures the bags maintain their shape, making them easier to stack and transport. Rapid cutting transition. Switching between hot cutting and cold cutting is a time-consuming process for many machines, often taking up to 45 minutes. Five Fingers cement bag making machine reduces this time to under 2 minutes. This rapid transition allows your operators to maintain a steady workflow, minimizing downtime and enhancing overall productivity. Cost-effective solution. Despite all these advanced features, our valve bag making machine is priced 40% lower than other machines on the market with less capabilities compared to our Five Fingers cement bag making machine. This affordability does not compromise quality or performance, making it an attractive option for manufacturers seeking value for both gusseted and non-gusseted bags. Our cement valve bag making machine efficiently performs 80% of the functions of a block bottom bag machine, providing a cost-effective alternative. While block bottom machines require a significant investment for installation and operation, our machine offers an affordable solution capable of producing gusseted cement bags with a design and functionality closely resembling block bottom bags. In conclusion, Five Fingers Exports sets a high standard in cement bag making technology with its blend of innovation, efficiency, and customer-focused features. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your business. Reach out to us today and book a free live demo at our factory for more information. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.